Hello guys, welcome to Techavro channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to use templates on CapCut. So let's continue into CapCut and then click on template. And guys, you can see there's a lot of templates to choose from, but I want to use these templates for this tutorial. And tap on use template. Then choose the pictures you want to be in this video, and I'm gonna choose this one and also this one, and then tap on preview. And guys, it's just gonna automatically put your pictures in the video template. And let's watch the video. And then export the video in high quality. Export. And guys, that's how you can use templates on CapCut. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.